It's 2 a.m. You are lying in bed, your face bathed in the blue light of your phone, swiping past endless 30-second videos and photos of food you'll never eat. For decades, psychology has offered a very specific explanation for this behavior. The prevailing theory suggests we experience a psychological void, an internal emptiness, and we desperately try to consume enough content to fill that lack in our souls. Pay attention to how your body actually feels after 3 hours of endless scrolling. You never arrive at a feeling of being full. You never hit a point of true satisfaction where the void permanently closes. That endless hunger suggests the basic premise of our inner emptiness is wrong. Back in the 1970s, two French philosophers, Gilles Deleuze and Félix Guattari, mapped out a radically different understanding of human behavior. They introduced a concept called desiring machines. In this framework, human desire is a literal, physical engine. It is an active mechanism that builds things and produces reality, rather than a psychological vacuum waiting to be filled. Holding a smartphone physically turns you into an active biological component plugged into the largest machine ever built. To see how this works, look at the user strictly as biological hardware, nodes on a schematic. Deleuze and Guattari observed a core rule. A machine can never exist in isolation. It only functions uncoupled with another. A plug requires an outlet. In our modern digital coupling, the first half of the equation sits thousands of miles away. It is an algorithmic server farm, a massive industrial machine producing an infinite stream of visual data. The second half of the equation is your biology, acting as an eye machine, locking on to the glowing screen machine in the palm of your hand. In this strictly mechanical reality, the user and application fuse into a single, closed biological digital circuit. This circuit operates on a specific rhythm. It starts with a flow, a continuous stream of abstract digital stimulus. Next comes the cut. The eye machine actively slices into this stream, grabbing one targeted piece of visual data out of the blur. That single cut triggers an immediate biological chain reaction down the line. The visual data transmits instantly to your stomach machine and your salivary gland machine. Desire is not an empty space waiting to be filled. It's an active factory. Its entire purpose is production. Look at what is actually being manufactured on this assembly line. The circuit actively produces pupil dilation. It synthesizes dopamine spikes. It secretes your saliva and generates the physical muscle reflex of your thumb swiping to the next video. This highly efficient factory actively engineers your biological reflexes. It has absolutely zero interest in satisfying your deep psychological needs. When we pull back from that single biological reaction, the scale of this factory comes into focus. Your individual circuit is just one node among billions, all pulsing simultaneously. Félix Guattari called this the Machinic unconscious. He theorized that our deeper societal behaviors are structured directly by these mechanical and technical systems. Modern tech platforms thrive precisely because they maintain the old illusion of the void. They need you to believe you are empty and that you are always just one swipe away from finally feeling satisfied. While you are distracted chasing that illusion, the central system is extracting. Every micro-hesitation, every pupil dilation, and every swipe is harvested as behavioral data and converted into revenue. If you want to reclaim your mental agency, you have to treat your digital binges as automated mechanical couplings rather than personal moral weaknesses. You function as an engine of production.